In the short run, a profit-maximizing firm will expand output as long as A, marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost, B, until marginal cost begins to rise, C, until marginal revenue equals average variable cost, D, until total revenue equals total cost, E, as long as marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue. And so we know that profit maximizing point for any firm is going to be where marginal revenue equals equal to marginal cost. And so A is going to be the best answer here, that you continue to expand output as long as your MR is greater than MC. And as soon as that's not true, when MR equals MC, you stop expanding. That's going to be the profit maximizing rule for any firm. And so A is going to be the best answer here. And let's take a look at the previous tutor's answer. And so the previous tutor also said A, profit maximization occurs at a point where MR is equal to MC as long as marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. The firm continues to produce because it's earning economic profit. And answer E is incorrect because this would cause the firm to reduce output. And so, yeah, this is a great answer choice. Great answer. Nothing wrong with that, and we will mark that as correct.